Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The issue of fraud has been highlighted as a growing risk factor for the financial sector. Against this background, the Jamaica Institute of Financial Services and the Jamaica Bankers Association staged an anti-fraud seminar focusing on identification and document authentication at the Terra Nova All-Suite Hotel in Kingston on Wednesday. President of the Jamaica Bankers Association, Nigel Holness, noted that while there is a direct monetary risk to financial institutions, fraud is far more prevalent in other sectors, with fraudulent IDs and documents often being presented for transactions. He noted that the impact is far-reaching as it hinders development in areas where it's well needed, as money is intended diverted into the pockets of corrupt individuals.
Energy, health, hospitals, I'm sure many of you, road repairs, security, education, to name a few. Petty corruption, such as service providers asking for bribes or simply not reporting to work, should never be tolerated.
Security Minister Robert Montague also spoke to the prevalence of fraudulent documentation, noting that a recent improvement at the Passport Office highlighted the extent of the issue.
We introduced facial recognition technology in the application process. And so far we have hit 680 plus double identity. And 72 persons are before the court. And this is since June. We have had one person with 8 separate identities, 8 different passports. One person. And these are some of the issues that we have to deal with.
Consumers will see lower prices at the pumps this week. Dashan Hendricks is at the smartboard and tells us more.
Well, gasoline prices will be falling this week, easing off their year highs. Petroleum has announced this week that it will cut the price of both E10 87 and E10 90 gasoline by 35 cents each. The price of regular diesel, it falls as well this week, going down by some 65 cents, while the low sulfur variety declines this week by only 15 cents, but a decline nonetheless. Kerosene goes down as well. It will be falling this week by 51 cents. Propane, cooking gas and butane falls as well. Propane going down by 57 cents and butane going down by some 41 cents. It's now back to you.
Thanks, Dashan. The price of oil finished lower today. Oil for delivery in January lost $1.66 to settle at $55.96 a barrel. It was the lowest finish since November 16. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.90. Canadian dollar is selling for $98.72. The pound sterling costs $168.41, while the euro is selling for $149.65. The JSE index gained more than 1,559 points in trading today, while the junior market index lost 69. Stocks posting gains today included Cable and Wireless, Carreras, Honeybun, Jamaican Teas, NCB Financial Group, Proven Investments, and Seprod. Now the losers included 1834 Investments, CAC 2000, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Financial, Paramount Trading, Pulse Investments, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.